Welcome to the Crypto Breakdown Show, your trusted guide through the ever-evolving world of digital assets. Each week, we break down the latest market moves, industry trends, and major news shaping the future of crypto. Just a reminder, this is not financial advice. We're here to share news, insights, and updates to help you stay informed and ahead of the curve. Let's dive in. Recapping some of the top news from September 23rd. Bitcoin stumbled in week 38, logging one of its weakest averages of the year. Seasonal trends are kicking in, and traders are keeping a close eye on other assets. Gold, silver, platinum, and palladium have all outperformed Bitcoin in 2025, stealing some of its shine as a digital gold. At the same time, Bitcoin has been lagging behind the S&P 500, a pattern we've seen before during bull cycles, where stocks surge ahead before Bitcoin eventually catches up. That divergence has investors wondering when crypto momentum will return. The next few weeks could be pivotal. On September 26, the U.S. Core PCE inflation report lands, and that number will play a big role in shaping the Fed's stance on rates and broader risk appetite. Then, on September 29th, the SEC and CFTC are holding a joint roundtable on DeFi and 24/7 trading, a clear sign regulators are trying to catch up to crypto markets. And in October, all eyes are on the pending decisions for a Solana ETF and a Cardano ETF. Positive approvals could open the door to new inflows, but disappointment would weigh on sentiment. So while the market isn't in freefall, there are still headwinds, from seasonal weakness to critical policy moves, keeping investors cautious and alert. On the brighter side, the crypto market is showing resilience. Over the past 24 hours, total market cap has held steady around $3.8 trillion, with Bitcoin defending the 112,000 level. Altcoins have been active too. OG and Asta led gains, while Avalanche jumped nearly 9% and Near rose almost 6%. Even HBAR popped 3.8% after late session institutional buying. Funding and innovation are surging. Zero Hash raised over $100 million in a round backed by Morgan Stanley, Interactive Brokers, Apollo, and others. At the same time, Archetype launched a $100 million venture fund for early blockchain startups, while Cloudburst secured $7 million to build off-chain crypto intelligence. Institutional adoption continues to expand. Morgan Stanley is planning to let clients trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana starting in 2026. Tether is reportedly looking to raise up to $20 billion, which would push its valuation near $500 billion. And the CFTC is moving toward allowing stablecoins as tokenized collateral, a huge step for market integration. Meanwhile, new products keep rolling out. Fold is teaming with Stripe on a Bitcoin rewards card offering up to 3.5% back. Orderly Network launched a platform where anyone can build a perpetual DX in minutes, with no coding required. And in Brazil, Orange BTC is going public as the nation's largest Bitcoin treasury firm, holding 3,650 BTC and launching a financial education initiative. All of this points to growing strength across crypto, a market that's not just weathering short-term volatility, but actively building the foundations for its next wave of adoption. That wraps up this week's edition of Crypto Breakdown. Whether the market's pumping, dumping, or just drifting sideways, we're here to help you navigate it all. If you found today's episode helpful, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with a friend. It's the best way to help us grow and keep delivering quality content. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.